Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how you can change the manual language. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now I want to add there was a facelift in 2021, so this screen looks a bit different, but I believe everything should still be the same or very similar to the older models. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to change the language you want to tap onto the vehicle here on the main screen. And here under display options, first thing it's language, so we want to press on that. And you can choose between Spanish, English, Italian and French. Now to make the change you will just tap the language you wish. And now it's changing, and that's pretty much it. But I will change back to English because I don't understand Spanish. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.